So we go to the Hyperion 2 and also Hyperion Max 2. This is Hyperion Max 2. So this one more have a nylon plate yang macam tak ternampak ni. It's a design in settle. Oh, Brooks. Oh, nice. Oh, Brooks. Then a flash nitrogen inject. Okay. So the design like this. Oh, nice. Oh, the lace. Tang. Oh. Okay. Nice. So Hyperion ni pun sama ke? No, design dia. Design sama. Ni Hyperion. Hyperion. So this is a tang, nice. Brooks. Sahur dulu Brooks.